Hi guys, welcome back to another wheels and stuff how-to video. This one is to show you how to access the hidden green menu. This is a C7.5 A6. It doesn't have the MMI, I think it's 3G or 3G plus. It has the RMC. So basically what you want to do is you want to fire up VCDS and you want to go to electronics 2, that one there, and then click 5F, information electrics, and then you want to hit adaptation. If you've got the MMI 3G plus, you want to go to channel 6, which is like that, and then you click read and it will tell you stored value, new value, and you change the new value to 1, test, and then save, and then you do done, go back and get out of the controller. If you've got an RMC system, then that will be in 05. It's not the same channel. So you click read again. I've actually changed this already. That was 0, but that has changed to 1. And yeah, so basically I've already done that. And the way you access it is you press the car button and the menu button, hold it down a couple of seconds and let go, and then you'll see that hidden menu come up. And that's how you access the green hidden menu. And then if you want to get out of it again, you just press the car and the menu button again, like that, a couple of seconds, and it'll take you back to the main screen. If you want to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification and thumbs up button, and don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later, bye.